So is everybody joined or okay? Hello? Hello?
Hello, Srini? Yes, hello.
Hey, everybody joined or okay?
We are no Suraj, no Abhishek, no Naveen.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, I think okay we can just start it and then okay. So we we just started with the outbound and then okay on the day okay we faced that okay the issue with that okay the outbound replication. So what actually that okay the issue was that okay because of the distribution model okay was created twice. So
Yes.
somebody.
Srini?
So hey Anant, am I speaking to Anant?
Yeah, I missed last class. Can you just overview what's
Okay.
happened?
Yeah, last class actually, okay, what actually we did is that, okay, half the section actually we cleared it, okay, we spent it for the doubts clarification and, okay, the half actually, okay, we used it, okay, for as an introduction to the outbound.
Okay.
Okay, so in the outbound, okay, normally, okay, it's also, okay, we use it, okay, something called as, okay, the picking strategies. Okay, so
Okay.
if you remember, okay, the same thing, okay, for the put away, if you remember put away, we have, okay, the like storage type set and then, okay, the section and the bin and all these things, same thing in the picking also. That means, okay, from which storage type actually you have to pick the goods. So it's like exactly the opposite of the put away.
Right.
Okay, and but in the main thing, okay, in the picking, okay, is that, okay, quantity classification, okay, which is actually okay most of the times okay will be using it okay in the quantity classification because for any warehouse operation okay picking is the most costliest operation.
Okay.
Because do you know why the reason? Because okay compared to the put away picking is more costly to the any warehouse operations.
We don't know.
No, it's generic only, nothing related to the EWM or anything.
You may be picking from time consuming and
Exactly, it's a time consuming activity and also it's like more labor intensive also. So because put away, okay, you will be putting away like okay the hundreds of okay, items at one go, but in the picking, okay, especially if it is like a piece picking and these kind of activities, okay, it's like okay every order, okay. See, in the inbound usually you will be getting okay the bulk quantities and then okay you will be storing them.
right.
Okay, but okay, in the outbound the same way, okay, one order may contain 2 and another order may contain 3, another order may contain 5. Like these kind of things, okay, you need to verify and then you have to pick it up. Especially if it is like a very costly items, you should be very careful, okay, while doing the picking also.
Yeah.
Okay, and one more thing, okay, okay, do you know that, okay, what are all the, okay, can somebody tell me that, okay, what all the picking strategies normally, okay, the people will follow?
In the sense basing on delivery.
Yeah, no. Let's
First
take
in,
this
first out.
example.
First
Yeah,
in,
that
first
is
out.
okay. The one thing, yeah, that is first in, first and all these things, okay. But okay, let's take this example, okay. I have okay 100 deliveries. Okay, each delivery contain okay like okay 3 items. Okay, and it's like a mix of all the items also. Okay, and all these items are actually okay, stored in okay the 3 different zones also. So what is okay? Assuming that okay, you are a warehouse supervisor. Okay, what are the strategies that you can play? You can do it okay to satisfy okay my 100 deliveries. And assuming that okay, you are a warehouse manager. Okay, so I'm just asking this thing because you are a technical consultant. So I just want to make sure that okay, you are confident in the process also. Okay, let's take this example, Anant. Okay, because you have 100 deliveries, each delivery contain the 3 line items, and these line items can contain the any number of items, and it's possible to have the mix also. That means delivery 1 and delivery 3 may contain the same item also.
Right.
Suppose delivery 1, delivery 3 and delivery 4 can contain the same item. Item 1 in this thing and item 2 in this delivery and item 4 in this delivery may be the same item only. But maybe different quantity. Okay, and I am telling that these quantities are actually stored it in 3 zones. Okay, let's take this example that one is a curry and another is a rice. Okay, another is a one more material also. You can see that. Okay, my favorite. Yeah. So let's take this example. Okay, so what are the strategies that you can put it here?
கலா அவனை பாருட தள்ளிக்கிளி விட்டுறாங்க ஒரு ஆட்ட மாத்தி சங்கர் வந்துட்டான்.
So let's take this thing. Okay, P's are order based picking. Okay, that means I'll give the first delivery to a worker, and then he searches the whole warehouse. Okay, search the complete warehouse and then fill the order.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can go wave picking also, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Okay. Group by item and then pick. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. Pick by group delivery. Next one. Zone picking. That means irrespective of from where actually I get it, but if a particular pick is actually pointed to a particular zone, I just simply do the pick and then pass to the packing zone. So where actually I can put it to the corresponding once all the picks are completed for a particular item which are in a particular zone, and then I will pass it to the packing zone where actually I will be combining all the items belonging to a particular delivery. Suppose see here in one delivery may contain the rice, curry and ghee also. Another delivery may contain only the rice, ghee, or another may contain only the ghee alone also. So first guy will pick all the ghee and the second guy will pick all the rice and third guy will pick only the curry only. So this way the advantage is that the warehouse operations may be much more efficient, but the disadvantage is that once actually they go to the packing, then again I need to recombine all those items also for each delivery. Is it clear, Anant, now?
Yeah.
Okay, so another is the wave picking also. That means yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
You told 3 guys, 3 laborers, 3 resources is picking individual materials, right?
Yes. Maybe 3 resources or maybe like 2 resources also. It depends on my warehouse. Okay,
they are picking means one as a material at a time, right?
Yes.
That is how do you define that kind of activity? Is it picking?
No. Come again your question, Kanan. I just missed your question.
What you are telling, you told like one person is picking curries, one person is picking rice, and one guy is right.
Yeah.
Different 3 resources picking 3 materials, correct?
Yes, exactly. That if you want it actually, suppose. Otherwise, even one guy actually can go and pick everything also.
Is there any strategy to do that? That way, individual picking and combine based on.
Because
because that is packing is difficult, right? If you curry 100 quantity, rice 50 quantity, maybe 25 quantities.
You are actually Kannan, it depends on the strategy of your warehouse. Suppose let's take this Amazon. Usually they get like orders as a 111 only quantities.
Right.
Suppose if it is like a bulk quantity and bulk picking, then picking the whole thing makes sense actually, because that is much easy.
Okay.
But if it is like 111, like one curry, one rice, one ghee.
Yeah, that is one delivery. Mostly we will go by delivery, correct? Group by delivery and pick it, correct?
It depends on the picking efficiency. If you go by delivery, that is the most costliest operation.
If you go by material, then you again you got to find out which delivery, then you have to put it there, right?
Exactly. That's what will be pointed into the packing, and then where we'll combine all those things. Usually for the packing, we use the machines only.
Srini,
Yeah.
if you take a warehouse like Amazon, like how exactly, because they will generally do.
I can just show you. Yeah, I'll just show you one thing, so that you'll get an idea. I'll just show you an idea, how actually they do it also. Actually, that's what I'm saying, it depends on the strategy, of the particular warehouse and what kind of, the way it's picking. It's like, the bulk, or, it's a piece pick, or, it's like a delivery wise. I'll just show you actually. There is a video actually. You can just actually, that it's a very nice video. Amazon. Okay, let's take this example that 1111 quantity is available here, Kanan.
Right.
So let's take this example that usually these kind of things people go by the delivery, because they need to actually group it like the item wise. But let's take this example that curry is in aisle 1 and ghee is in aisle 10. Now another thing is that second delivery also contains the curry only, and one more delivery contains only the ghee only. Now the first picker, if he want to select the curry and ghee, so he need to go to the aisle 1 and then he need to go to all the way to ghee and then again come back to CU1, curry 1 for the aisle 1, second delivery. You agree with me?
Yes. That time he is combining delivery 1 and delivery 2, correct?
Yeah? Sorry? No.
That time he will group by delivery number. Group.
No, Kanan. Let's take this example, assuming Anand, let's take this example, I have, this is the way, my delivery content. Delivery 1 contains, the curry and also the ghee, and I know that, the delivery 1 curry is, stored it in aisle 1 and ghee is stored it in the aisle 10. Delivery 2 contains only the curry alone and delivery 3 contains, the ghee. Is it, you agree with me? This is a requirement.
Okay.
Now I want to pick it up, so tell me that what is the way of best way you can pick it up.
We can consolidate and
You can group by delivery or material, SKU, what?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Okay, you can group by the delivery. That
Then
means,
yes.
delivery wise, I can pick it up, or I can do that. The group by that item. So this is what the grouping, and then these things are nothing but called as a wave. You agree with me, Kanan? So I can combine the multiple deliveries, Anant.
yeah.
And then I can combine the whole requirement. Yes, now I know that curry it contains 10 quantity, and then ghee is that 2, it has to go to delivery 2, and then this curry 10 it has to go like 3 has to go to delivery 1, and 7 has to go to delivery 2, like this thing. I need to have it. Is it clear now? So what actually I need to do is that I need to create one wave. If I release it, it has to create a warehouse task like these things. Now for this 3 delivery, I will have one pick HU, and this 7 delivery also I will have one pick HU. Okay, so then I'll take this 3 quantity and I'll drop it in the first dabba. Once I create my pick HU, and this 7 I'll take this pick HU, and then usually okay, we'll drop it on the conveyor, and then it automatically goes to the packing station. Is it clear now? Now, once it is in the packing station, okay, I can just okay need to combine it okay also, because okay my first delivery contains the curry and as well as okay the ghee also. So where actually okay I'll just okay combine the multiple pick HUs and then okay I can combine it and then I can deliver it also. Okay, so you can suppose if you look at okay this particular video, you can easily understand the whole process also. So
no voice video?
maybe I don't know. You can just okay even watch. So can you see here? This is the pick HU. All these things, the yellow ones, and then okay they put it on the conveyor, which actually goes to the packing station. You can see that okay one item. Usually this is the piece items.
Right.
Because okay all the items are actually stored here.
So they will pick that item and put in the box, or they will put additional information like the delivery information and whatever
No,
information.
usually the pick HU, when they scan it, that contains everything. Because the pick HU is pointed to a warehouse task that is tied up to the delivery again.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see the whole thing here. Now you can see that okay all these things will come, the pick HUs, and then they will drop it at the packing station. Maybe I think if you look at this video 2-3 times, you can easily understand.
Okay.
Srini, Satya.
Now they will drop the whole items here. Now he will scan it again. So that contains that which delivery he need to pack it. Again, once it is packed, everything will go to the staging area.
Is it too much labor intensive work here? Especially in
Picking is picking task is only the labor intensive.
Yeah, okay.
Now usually okay we sort it out actually. Usually the sorting machines we apply it so that okay that goes to the staging area where we combine all those things.
Okay.
Srini,
Okay, so yeah, don't worry about okay these things. Maybe you can, if you look at actually fulfillment by the Amazon tour, okay that gives you that okay how the big warehouse works. The fulfillment by Amazon tour, okay, that gives the okay the operations of okay how they work also. Or you can look at okay the various big warehouse orders like New Egg, okay these things.
Srini.
Okay.
So that gift is nothing but called as VAS services, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so don't worry about okay all these things, okay. So maybe if you can have a time actually, okay, if you can look at okay those particular videos, okay, you can just okay understand that okay what are the strategies, okay, you can just apply it also. Okay, and one more thing is that okay sometimes okay let's take this example, Anand, okay. Somebody asked actually okay 111 kilos of okay rice, okay. Anand.
Yeah.
Okay, now okay I have okay the 100 kgs of okay the bags are available, and as well as okay 10 kg bags are available, and also okay the 1 kg of bags also available. Is it clear now? Okay, these kind of requirements are okay very common also. Now same thing okay if you go to the any retail business, okay, usually they used to sell the product in multiple okay the same thing okay same product okay in Costco they may sell it in a different quantity, and okay in the Walmart they may sell it in different quantity, and in a retail shop they may sell it in different quantities also.
Right.
Okay, but it's like okay, it's all supplied by the same company only. So now suppose if you got okay 100 in level means okay like 100 plus okay 10 plus 1 I need to deliver it. Or okay somebody says that okay I want 20 kilos, okay they may ask for okay the 20 okay 1 kgs each also, or they may say that okay 2 into 10 also. Is it clear now the quantity classification? So these kind of things, okay, will always come into the picture, okay, in the picking. You should not say that, okay, yeah, the customer only asks for 20 kgs means, okay, you can deliver it whatever the way you like it, okay. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, so these kind of all kind of restrictions, okay, will come into the picture, especially in the picking, because putaway means, okay, you are simply, okay, the goods already arrived to you and then you are storing it, but picking is a strategy always.
Right.
Okay, so that's why, okay, we have everything in the picking. Kannan, is it clear now or you have any doubts? Kannan?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, I'm clear.
Yeah, maybe, okay, what we can do is that, okay, you can just, okay, look at those complete videos, or, okay, there is one very interesting article in the operations management guide for picking strategies, inventory operations, okay. I can just show you, because even I ordered that book also. If you can go here, okay, you can that, okay, there is a one. The picking strategies actually, okay, they combine, okay, they talk about all those things, okay. Usually I'll send you that link also. You think this is the one only? Not this one. The procedure of, okay, determining the order picking strategies, okay, in distribution center. So you can find it out, okay, what are all the strategies, okay, you can apply it also. That itself is a big science, Anant, okay. And there are a lot of papers on this thing, okay. Different guys, okay, will apply different strategies, okay. But it all completely depends on, okay, what kind of business, okay, the users are working also, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so if you go to the Google, actually the picking strategies itself, okay, you can find, okay, the one complete thing, or, okay, there is a one book, big, very good book also. I can tell you that book, okay, it's called as, okay, the inventory optimization guide or something.
Okay.
Okay, so I have that book, okay, in my rack, okay, I can just, okay, give that ISBN to you.
So those are mostly like theoretical examples only?
Not theoretical exactly, but I can say that, okay, it depends on the kind of business. Usually you don't worry because, okay, the warehouse supervisor, okay, who already working for the business, they will tell you how they want it.
Okay.
Okay, because that is the one, okay, which you are not going to
strategy, correct?
Yeah, that's a strategy, I can say.
Yeah, maybe best practice for that warehouse.
Yeah, because if you are going to as a warehouse supervisor, that will help you.
Okay.
But if you are going as a consultant, okay, we'll be implementing SAP for them.
Right.
Okay, they will tell the requirement, okay, but we need to configure it, okay.
But that gives just some idea, good knowledge, right? The book.
Usually that helps, okay, especially when you are speaking to the warehouse supervisors, okay, when the blueprint is going on, okay, those strategies, okay, at least you can discuss with them, okay, if this is the strategy that may be beneficial to them, if they are not aware, okay, you can tell them as a consultant also.
Right.
Yeah, but usually, okay, these kind of things, okay, are taken care by the Accenture, or, okay, when the blueprint staging is going on itself, they will decide it, okay, the way you need to do it.
Okay.
They are, okay, the pure play consulting only, not even related to any product.
Right.
Okay. So anyway, I'm just okay, as the situation comes, I just thought of discussing with you only. Now, okay, we created, okay, the outbound delivery in, okay, in ECC, the same way like inbound delivery, it will be replicated, okay, back to the EWM. Now, the transaction code, okay, which we use for inbound delivery is, okay, PRDI, and for the outbound delivery, okay, it is PRDO. Okay, so I'll just, okay, quickly take you through that, okay, the strategies also. Same thing, okay, in the and one more thing, okay, in picking is that, Anant, is that, okay, what kind of goods actually I had to pick it up, okay, that means, okay, the first in first out, that means, okay, like, okay, which are going to expire soon, okay, has to pick the first also.
Right.
Okay. It's like okay, very generic only. Or okay, the first thing is that okay, based on the country of origin, that means okay, first okay, always okay, the German goods okay has to be picked first, okay, and then okay, the US goods, okay, and then okay, that okay, the Russia goods also. Like these things, okay, we can always specify okay the strategies okay for the sorting also. So if you go to the extended warehouse management, the complete okay, we cover the whole thing for the GR process. Okay, for the outbound, okay, everything is comes under the GI process. Now, same thing, okay, for the strategies. Okay, I was telling you, right, okay, first you need to specify whether you need to have a first in, first out, or okay, the last in, first out, okay, so you need to specify it, okay. In this warehouse, if I want to follow the first in, first out means, on what basis first in, first out? That means, okay, it may be based on the warehouse date, or it may be based on the expiration date also, or it may be based on the country of origin, so I need to define that on what basis I want to sort the fields also. So if you want it, okay, you can add always okay the n number of fields also to sort it. Suppose if two stocks actually contain the same date, then okay the second field okay you want to add a time also.
Okay.
Okay, so like that thing, okay, we can just okay add multiple fields here. Now, then okay you need to specify the storage type search sequence. That means from which storage type I have to pick first. Suppose okay if I contain the goods both in cold and then in hot, so first it has to pick the goods from cold, then it has to go for the hot also. Or like these things, okay, I can always specify first thing it has to pick from the hot, and then okay it has to go for the cold. Okay, suppose if you go to the any pharma industry, usually okay they keep the same product okay in multiple refrigeration zones also. If you go to the pharma industry,
Okay.
because okay they know that okay if particular quantity okay which actually go are in the deep inside the rack, okay they usually okay keep the less temperature, and okay which are actually nearer to the bin location, okay they keep the more the temperature also. So like those things, okay then they'll specify it because they know that okay always okay which are going to get expiring okay soon, okay they want to keep it in the more temperature so that okay they should not get affected more also.
Okay.
Okay, so don't worry about okay these things, everything okay they completely business and industry and the customer specific also. So now once you specify this particular okay the storage type set sequence, okay, so in HYDP, yeah, now I'm specifying it. First it has to go on okay search it in the cold, if not available okay search it in the hot, otherwise if nothing is available okay then check some stock in the GR area, otherwise okay checks if there is any stock available at the door also. Okay, so these are the strategies okay which I specified it in the sequence. Now once I specified okay all this sequence, and then okay I need, yeah.
Excuse me. This
Yeah,
Suraj.
go ahead, sir. Yeah, Suraj.
There is a one called strict FIFO. There is a one called a strict FIFO.
Yeah, that means okay, yeah, it will always okay even okay if the another stock is available, if you try to pick the latest stock, system okay will always okay throw a warning message to you.
Okay. Irrespective of anything, it will go for a FIFO, right?
Exactly. Okay, it will take the most
So all of
overriding.
the
Yes.
most. Okay.
It will take the first priority.
First priority.
Okay, now Anand, okay, now I'm telling in my EHYD warehouse, if my warehouse okay stock removal control indicator is HYDC, and if my warehouse process type is 2010, please follow this particular okay the stock removal strategy. So HYDC means okay where I assigned it. This is my stock removal control indicator. So the control indicator I assigned it in my material master. So if I go to my material master, if I go to the warehouse data, if you go to the same thing okay we used a putaway stock control indicator, same thing for the stock removal control indicator also.
Okay.
So this thing okay, by using this, by changing this thing, sorry, come again? Yeah, come again.
Where did you create this stock removal indicator? Like means you
Okay,
are
that thing okay, yeah. No, I defined it in the SPRO.
okay.
Same place only, I'll just show you again. Always indicators are okay, just only. Strategies. If you go here, okay, here is the place, okay, I defined it.
Okay.
In HYD, okay, I defined, okay, HYDC is my stock removal control indicator. And then what I specified is that, again, I'm telling you, in the determine in EHYD, whenever if my material stock removal control indicator is HYDC and if my warehouse process type is 2010, please follow the stock removal process type of HYDP. If it follows HYDP, then it will come here. See, this is HYDP. If it is HYDP, then it will follow and try to set it in the cold first and then it goes to the hot next. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a very simple. It's exactly the opposite of the putaway only. Don't worry. Okay. Now. Okay, let's try it. Okay. PRDO. I have one delivery. Now. This is our first delivery. We have only one delivery as of now, just got created. Okay, so this is our product. So if I want to now try to create a warehouse task for this particular picking, okay, so I don't know whether the stock is available or not. Okay, I think as per the strategy, we don't have the stock. Just let me check, okay, if I have stock or not.
Srini?
Yeah.
So this EWM client has to buy additionally, or it is part of the latest versions?
Client in the sense?
Client in the any client, for example. Like for example, one company want to implement EWM. It comes like a part of the SCM, or like I mean they have to buy separately.
No. I don't know if you have ever worked in any SAP licensing. SAP licensing always they sell it in multiple ways also. One is a bulk licensing, so everything they will buy it off as enterprise license.
Oh.
Otherwise, some people buy it like a user license, like based on the number of users, they buy it also. They buy it as a software as a service kind of thing, but it's like a hosted still, but based on the number of users. And some people buy it based on the volume of business also.
Okay.
But it's not come as a free as part of SCM. You have to buy it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I have some stock available. In the HOTS. So now let's try to say that. If I just try to click on the button. Create. Now it has to apply my set strategy. What it is saying that the storage bin sorry GI zone I'll just create that bin 9020. So you're planning to buy anything, Anand?
You mean
Hey.
SAP? I'm planning to buy a laptop, but not SAP.
Okay. So let us see that, okay, what is the problem here? Okay, system could not determine that, okay, the storage bin. Okay, let's see that. Okay.
Hey, who is
Yeah.
laughing?
Suraj.
Suraj, don't laugh, man.
Okay, see, okay, I don't know whether, okay, the put away strategy, whether I just, okay, entered is, okay, whether it is actually, okay, taking place or not, okay. So if it is not, okay, even taking place, okay, just, okay, for the time being, okay, I'll just, okay, enter manually, but, okay, otherwise, okay, the default, okay, the stock is available in the heart, okay, it should be able to, okay, take it up, okay, but I don't understand, okay, why it's not, okay, picking up. So let us see, okay, the message logs. Okay, storage type set, okay, fully defined, okay, the no entry defined, okay. So what it did is that, okay, storage type set with wildcard, set sequence, okay, pick actually taken place, okay. So it did not take the HYDP set sequence. So I think, okay, it has to take, okay, the now I got the problem also, okay. So whenever actually if the any picking activity, okay, to work properly, okay, the mistake, okay, which I did here is that, okay, because I did not sort those particular bins based on the picking activity. Suraj, you remember this thing?
Srini,
Yes.
Yeah.
quick question.
Yeah.
Once you defined your picking strategy,
Yeah.
then that indicator needs to be addressed in the product master data, right?
Yeah, I did that thing also.
Oh, okay.
Suppose, okay, if we go to that, okay, our material master, okay, HYDCUR, master data. Okay, so if I go to the particular, okay, the master data, so it has to, okay, use, okay, the HYDC is the stock removal control indicator.
Oh, you added. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, okay, so we added it here, okay, but the problem here is that, okay, it's not taking that, okay, the our set strategy sequence, okay, it's taking the standard, okay, the pick set strategy sequence only.
Because this search indicator you are not attached to.
No, we attached it, okay, but okay, it might not have updated, okay, properly, or okay, I can just check it also. So what it is doing is that, okay, if you look at that message log, specify that, okay, the storage type set sequence, okay, it is taking, okay, the this one, but not, okay, HYDP one. The
I think
sequence
the
actually.
sequence. I think there may be a.
Yeah. So what actually the problem maybe is that, okay, in the this thing only, determine that, okay, the storage type set sequence.
Yeah.
So in the EHYD warehouse, okay, HYDC is my, okay, the stock removal control indicator. I specified that, okay, it has to use, okay, the HYDP as a stock removal, okay, the strategy. But, okay, it is not taking place, okay, we can just, okay, find it out, okay, but it is taking, okay, the 2010, this one only. So, okay, I'll do one thing, okay, temporarily, okay, I'll just adjust this thing and then, okay, in the I'll just, okay, check it, okay, why it does not taking also. Maybe, okay, I'll just show you, okay, where we can find that, okay, the SLG1, okay, we can find everything also.
Where is the sequence? You showed me the 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yeah,
Set
okay, yeah,
sequence?
that they are available in the put away, that means, okay, in the strategy sequence, okay, you can find our sequence.
And as per the sequence, HYDP is the first priority?
Yes. That's what, okay, I specified, okay, in the case, now can you see here? Now it is coming up. Can you see here? Now it is coming up because, okay, it's not taking the HYDP at all. I'll tell you what is the problem also. See?
No, it's checking up what? I'm confused here.
Yeah, I'll tell you what is the problem also. SPRO, IMG, sorry, GI process, strategies, okay. If you go here, determine the storage type set sequence, okay. See, can you see here now? HYD, what actually the system is taking is, the system is not considering this HYDC at all. it is taking okay the first criteria HYDC 2010 and then okay this standard was okay the pick was there already. Ours is actually HYDP has to take place only if my material contains HYDC as a control indicator only.
Correct.
Because okay sometimes okay I just modified the material and the delivery was already there, so the data may not be okay refreshed properly also.
Oh, you have to start all over again.
So what the system is taking, the system is actually picking the first entry. So that's why okay for the first entry I changed this thing itself as HYDP. Instead of pick I just change this thing to HYDP so that okay forcefully system takes this thing now.
Okay.
Okay, so don't worry. Okay, I can just show you in SLG1. Yeah.
Why it is not taking the next one, the third or fourth one?
Maybe okay I can just create one more delivery and then we can check it up also, because okay this delivery was already created and then later I went to the material master and then updated it also.
Okay.
That is why.
Okay, so that thing okay we can just check it. Actually the system has to take okay this particular row.
Exactly. The indicator is there, then system should give priority to that line only.
Exactly. Okay, system was not taking, so system is taking for this entry, which actually we verified it in the message log. Suppose okay if you go to that okay the /scw, sorry I will just do one thing. If you go to that okay always okay the message log, okay where is this thing? Follow on functions, okay if you try to go to the warehouse task. Okay. Now if we just click the button okay create. Okay, now the system always okay will tell that okay what are all the places actually okay it can be taken place also. You can see here okay, can you see here now from this quantity it contains okay in this bin okay one quantity is available, in this bin okay the one quantity is available also. Okay, or okay you can see that okay in the message log okay you can you see here the storage type sets okay fully defined now. Okay, or even the SLG1 log, okay, we can find it out, okay, clearly, okay, it was saying that, okay, it could not find any set strategy also.
But here in the messages, it is fully defined, but no such results or something? What does
No,
it
no,
mean?
because, okay, it's from one single quantity it could not fulfill. Okay, now adopt the quantity if you want it. Okay, sorry, I think it's already adopted, okay. Yeah. I can just show you Anant, okay, usually SLG1 contains a complete, okay, the even the step-by-step log you can see it there also. If you go to SLG1, Anant. Okay, we can find out okay completely what is happening in the background also. What happened? There's no log at all available. Oh, somebody okay. The log okay might have got disabled. Okay, so /n/scwm/ act underscore okay log. There's a transaction. You need to activate this log also. Complete okay the set strategy, everything okay it will be available in the log so that you can see that okay completely what is happening it in the background. So
what is this SL?
Activate log. SCWM ACT log. Okay, so nothing is actually activated, so I can just select it, okay, for whatever the object I want the log.
But previously we activated this one, right?
Yeah, actually
It
the
should be
log was
different.
there. Actually earlier okay the log was there, but I don't know today okay there's no log actually. Okay, warehouse task. Okay, so I'll make it as a information. Okay. Now from next time onwards, okay, for any warehouse task it get created, okay, system actually will completely okay register the log also. Can you see here now? two warehouse tasks are getting created because okay it contains okay the bins of okay one quantity Anand.
Right.
Okay, so now if you go to the monitor, document, okay, warehouse task.
Two tasks created because of two bin.
Yeah, because okay there are two separate bins.
Okay,
Because the quantity is requested is 2, but okay the 2 is not available in one bin. It's contained as a 111 in separate bin.
but it's a one order.
Yeah, it's all okay one. It depends actually. Okay, it depends on the warehouse order construction rules again. Where is this thing? Okay, the category, the picking process category is stock removal. Okay, now yeah, Kanan, come up with your question now. Okay, suppose
It's always like that. Is a question like this? Like I have 1,000 bin to pick, means 1,000 tasks will be created or what?
yes, yes. Task will be one only.
No,
One
now
one
the
each.
task is two tasks created for same product with the
Yeah, see here. Okay, now okay, Kanan, don't get confused here. Okay, always okay. Task is okay. One bin, one task. Don't get confused with this thing because task contains like always okay the source and destination.
Okay.
You agree with me now?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, now the warehouse order means it is a combination of tasks. Is it clear now?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. In the first warehouse order, I can have okay two tasks, or I can have only one task also. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
okay.
it depends on, okay, suppose assuming that, okay, one worker, okay, cannot lift, okay, two engines at the same time. So, I can say put them in two warehouse order and then okay, I can assign it to,
10 bins means 10 tasks, right?
yeah, 10 tasks, but it will be one warehouse order if you want it.
Yeah, that's right. Because one order with multiple whatever bins we are going to pick.
Exactly. Okay, so
We can assign multiple tasks to one resource, correct? Then
yes.
one
Yeah,
person,
multiple tasks. Okay, see, you will be assigning to the resource only through warehouse order. Is it clear now?
Okay.
Because okay, if you remember, okay, in the putaway also.
But I want like a scenario like bin 1A is in a east zone or somewhere, another one is a bin 2 is somewhere else. If I want to assign to two resource,
Yeah.
there is a
so
one
put,
order.
okay. Yeah, then okay, in that case actually what you have to do is that, okay, put the warehouse order 1 with one task and then okay, create okay, another warehouse order 2 with the second task. Is it clear?
Okay, that time I am splitting actual order, correct? For one customer I want to pick.
No, you are not splitting the actual order. Actual delivery is still there. You are only splitting the warehouse order.
Okay. Because the warehouse order I thought is delivery. After you confirm it will be GI.
No. See, that is what warehouse order is not a delivery at all. You have a delivery document, and then you have a warehouse task,
correct.
and then okay, combination of warehouse task is nothing but called as warehouse order. Okay, these three documents
For
are different.
example, one delivery, one warehouse order, right?
No.
It's always most of the times.
No. Suppose if my delivery contains okay 100 items, and okay, these 100 items are need to be picked from 100 different locations.
That is
it's
about 100 warehouse task under one order.
No. You are getting confused again. Warehouse order is different from the delivery document.
Yeah, that's right. The delivery document is not like a document is not we are not going to, we cannot execute that one, correct?
Yes. Okay, let's take this example. Okay. Yeah. I have 100 items in the delivery document. Okay, let's take this example. Okay. 100 items in my delivery document, and then I created 100 tasks. Now these 100 items are actually available in 100 locations. Okay, let's take this example. Out of this thing, 50 are engines, and 50 are the bolts.
Okay.
Now engines are always need to be lifted by forklift, and bolts are actually picked by manual picker.
Forklift is one resource. Manual is also one resource.
Yes,
Two
exactly.
resources are-
Forklift, yeah.
Okay.
Forklift is one resource, and manual is another resource.
Okay. This case, I would say 2 orders should be created, not more than that.
Now in this case, 2 warehouse orders.
Yeah.
That means your concept is conflicting now.
No, conflict, but minimum we cannot create 100 orders, correct? Should not.
Yeah, exactly. Okay,
correct.
suppose let's take
So
this.
like 1 or 2.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, 50 engines. Out of this 50, let's take that 10 are auto engines, and 20 are car engines, and 20 are the lorry engines. So for this thing, forklift, and car engine, car also forklift, and this thing, you need a crane.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yeah.
So in this case, actually, you need 3 warehouse orders.
3 orders. Yeah.
Okay,
Really?
so it depends on, see here, warehouse order means the combination of warehouse tasks and how you want to combine. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, so it may be 1 or it may be 2 or it may be 3 also, but the maximum is always the maximum number of items, or the
100.
let's or the maximum number of the quantity.
Srini,
Yeah.
No,
sorry to interrupt. Only one
Yeah.
small question. I know I'm little confused again. See, the delivery document may have 100 line items.
Yes.
When I go ahead and create, my first activity is going to be the warehouse order creation.
No, first activity is the warehouse task creation.
It's a task creation.
Yes. The
order will
combination
be
of tasks, order will be getting created automatically once the task got created.
yeah. Or you can combine task into one order.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
No, in our regular ERP warehouse, we create a delivery and we create a transfer order. Transfer order is nothing but here the warehouse order.
No, transfer order is nothing but here called as warehouse task.
Yeah, there is a different task.
Like a transfer order equal to warehouse task here.
Warehouse task is equivalent to transfer order.
There was
Okay.
a new term in
Then warehouse order, how do you relate?
New term.
Warehouse order, how do we relate then? If transfer order is equivalent to warehouse task, then warehouse order, how do we relate with the
Nothing.
ERP?
It's not task.
There actually have a TRM. Task and resource management.
Oh, okay.
So
So warehouse order is
now-
exclusively for EWM.
Exactly.
Yeah, new
Okay,
concept.
Okay, now, let's look at this thing now. Once I have warehouse order, if you look at actually here, I need to assign this thing into the resource now. Okay, so let's assign it to the one of the resource. Okay, so I have worker 1. I'm just assigning, and let us confirm this picking task through
RF.
RF if you want it. Okay, so I'll just
Srini, I have one question.
yeah.
While this warehouse order creation, this activity area will also come into picture, no?
Of course, yeah. Once the warehouse task got created, all the tasks which belong to the activity area also act as a filter criteria, and then it will pass it to the warehouse order creation.
Okay.
Okay, it's not only the activity area. Default always activity area will come into picture, and then let's take this example. My delivery warehouse order curry and rice cannot be combined always together. Then they will always go for the 2 separate orders. But curry and ghee, if they can combine, I can have only one warehouse order.
Or it can be separated at a packing station, means this
Yes.
particular going to the another packing station, that is going to the another packing station.
Exactly.
Okay. I'll
so-
not touch now.
No, you can just combine, whatever the way you like it. I can send you one PPT or one animation kind of thing, how this will connected, First thing is that let's take this thing, 100 warehouse tasks are there. Now let's take this thing, 20 are for forklift, and 20 are for the crane operated, and then within the 20 forklift, let's take this example, 10 are actually coming from the activity area 1, and the 10 are coming from the activity area 2, and from these, all those things which are going to crane, all are coming from activity area 3, and another the 20, 20, 40, another 60, all are coming from the activity area 4. So now what its system will do is that you have 100 warehouse tasks, then it will go through the first filter criteria. Yes, this thing forklift, so I cannot combine these things with any of these things. Then now, but these 10 are coming from the activity area 1, so now I cannot combine these 10 with another 10. Now, so that put these things under the warehouse order 1, another 10 as a warehouse order 2, another 20 as a warehouse order 3, which are coming from activity area 3, another 60 which are coming from activity area 4, I can put it as a warehouse order 4. So now you will have the 4 warehouse orders which are going to be executed by the 4 different workers in my warehouse.
Fine.
All are actually pointed to the same
That's what my
delivery.
question was.
Yeah.
Srini, I have a question here.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is for one delivery, right?
Yes.
Can we combine 2 deliveries into one order?
Of course.
Yes.
These 100 warehouse tasks, these 100 warehouse tasks, delivery 1 can contain 50 items, and delivery 2 can contain 50 items. Out of which I connected 100 warehouse tasks. Is it clear now?
Okay.
So what actually usually we do is that,
warehouse order is nothing but a logical grouping of
perfect
kind of,
for the picking strategies, for the picking operations. Okay, now what usually we do is that D1 and D2, we put them in a wave, and then when release the wave, all these things will happen.
Srini, when the multiple delivery will come, then only wave will come, or
Exactly.
because wave now
Otherwise, you
come.
can see, usually you can assign single delivery also to the wave, but if you combine with more than one delivery only, it makes sense.
a single
Okay, I agree.
delivery. How do you?
But
So what is
yes.
Sorry?
No, wave is like a batch picking, correct? Nothing
Yes.
about, right?
Yep. It's kind of the batch for multiple deliveries.
Yeah, for multiple deliveries, we are going to pick it. So we'll same product for multiple deliveries, then we will take it from one place. And
Yeah,
go to
but
another
let's
place.
take this example, like one delivery can contain 1000 items, and item 1 and item 999 may be the same also.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so that way also it may be useful.
Srini,
Yeah.
So, Srini, Anand, go ahead.
here you are saying like we can combine the deliveries in a sense we can combine using wave only or something else, somehow different.
No, wave only.
Okay.
Okay, so wave is nothing but
I
logical
have
grouping of
one
deliveries
question
and then releasing only.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, Suraj.
Sorry to disturb, but the thing is that the wave, if now we are seeing that when the first delivery only one delivery was created, the wave was not initiated. But where is that filter?
No.
Means that
No.
why it has not taken wave at that place? Yes.
No. Usually, Anna, Suraj, what we'll do is that, we'll have, the not only one wave, Usually, the wave means, we'll not assign the deliveries to the wave, Wave means, the deliveries and items.
Agreed, Srini.
Okay, now let me tell you, one way, how it works also, I have, two waves, wave 1 and wave 2 also. Wave 1, let's take this thing. Wave 1 takes, only the milk items only. and then okay, the wave 2 only takes okay the solid items. Or I can say that okay, wave 1 contains a truck okay which leaves at okay the 3 p.m. or okay the wave 2 okay contains another truck okay which leaves at okay 6 p.m. Is it clear now? It may be based on the time, or it may be based on the product category, or okay anyway whatever be the way I like it also I can group it also. So I can have different types of waves in my warehouse. Okay, based on the way I want to dispatch my goods. Okay, yeah. Now tell me your doubt.
I was coming above this.
Yeah. Now tell me. Yeah.
I was asking about this. In our delivery, the one which we have created now, the wave was not in picture. Just
Which one?
because we haven't the delivery which we created, the first 601. Now the 601 in which delivery in which the wave was not in picture.
Yeah. Of course. Yeah. Great.
So what was the reason? Where we made the filter, or where we need to flag it out, or what was the reason?
No. I'm telling okay. No, wave actually will come into the picture later. Actually, when the warehouse orders okay, multiple warehouse orders, how they will come into the picture.
Semi wave is a wave is an optional one, correct?
Yeah, exactly. Wave is an optional, Suraj.
Or without wave also you can complete the task.
Yes.
Wave will be faster, means you are taking multiple deliveries, picking multiple deliveries.
It's like okay, the grouping okay based on the logical criteria of okay the starting the work only. Suppose like okay, Suraj, wave is not a mandatory thing.
Yeah, correct.
No, I'm not asking about the mandatory or non-mandatory.
Yeah.
Or we will create or not to create whatever. But we have said that I am asking because one delivery was created, so wave will not create, and if the multiple delivery will be there.
No. One wave okay, one delivery also. If you want, you can use wave. Provided it is useful. Okay, it contains a multiple okay repeated kind of items. Otherwise, there's no use of the wave.
Right. So that's what means. The scenario can come. No, means single delivery is there, multiple line items are there, like you said, first and 999. So in that case, wave is needed. So it is not depend on the delivery. It is depend on the
items also. That's what I'm telling. Okay, even with one delivery, so wave we always assign the delivery and items.
Yes.
So even okay, see like okay, wave 1 okay for the same delivery one items okay 1 to 50 I can assign 1 to 25, and another wave delivery same but from item number 26 to 50 I can assign it.
Yeah. Now my question comes, why for this delivery the wave was not initiated?
Because okay we did not configure any wave also, and okay the wave is not at all relevant actually. We cannot even touch the wave configuration.
Okay.
Okay, so we cannot even entered into that node, Suraj.
Okay. Here the things comes, that's why I asked.
No. Because okay, I was actually entered into that thing because actually I was explaining okay the whole logic. Okay, what is a warehouse order?
Yeah.
And then okay when the delivery order comes into the picture, and then okay why actually if a delivery contains 10 items, because okay I think somebody was actually very much confused between the warehouse order and then task and the delivery. And now, if you look at actually the warehouse order, see, now we know that all these things, okay. Now we know, right, okay, if 100 warehouse tasks are there, 20 are forklift, okay, but 10 are coming from activity area 1, 10 are coming from activity area 2. So this is one order, but two different workers. So usually, I need to assign the work to the particular resource. Is it clear now? Then only they can execute it from the RF gun.
Fine.
Okay. And then okay even okay sorry I just need to okay assign it okay to the queue also. Okay, so I want to assign it to the outbound queue. Okay, so then okay so once I assign it to the queue, see Suraj, if it is part of wave you can see that okay the wave also here.
Yeah.
Okay, now tell me that okay the question that okay if I want to assign okay a queue determination automatically, do you remember in the putaway okay we did the same thing, all the logic, same thing okay you have to do it in the picking also, same thing, same logic only, the queue determination only you have to configure it. for that corresponding the warehouse order creation rule. Okay, now
from
so
we need to put the from and to for queue.
Those activity areas, and then you need to assign it to the queue determination, and usually the queue determination goes to the worker. Okay, now in the EHYD, so he went to the RF gun Anant. Okay, now you go to the outbound, then he go to the picking. Now picking by the warehouse order. Now usually once the warehouse order actually got printed, usually we give this the printed sheet to the warehouse workers, and then he simply go and scan this particular thing. Do you remember the number? I think this is our number. This is
30091.
Yeah. Okay, then if you want actually, can you see here now, Ananta?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Usually what the worker will do is that usually they can have a pre-packed the pick HUs which they will be carrying, or they can create the label and then they can attach it to the the dabba they are carrying it also, so they can create the HU if they want it. Otherwise they can just simply ignore it, and then
F1.
Yeah.
F1.
Yeah. So now
1.
Yep. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm very poor at in the navigation. These things. No, it's not the one. I think so.
Hello, Srini.
Yeah.
Just one question, like na delivery document one line item is equal to one task, correct? One-to-one relationship.
Need not be Satya. It depends on that. The quantity, how much you want to pick it up also.
Okay, so means that like take example here.
1 minute, Satya. 1 minute, Satya. I'll just comment. Let us finish this thing. Suraj, you have to just click the next. Okay.
Next
so,
okay.
So don't worry about these navigation always we can just configure whatever we like it.
Yes.
HYD underscore so I think it's not copied properly. HYD.
You know why we have only small boxes for here, like it's a little bit confusing, right? How
No.
we will
No. Usually you will not have these things. You will have only usually the worker will scan it, and if the scanner is actually not matching with the left side field, it will throw an error immediately.
Okay.
Usually will not enter these things manually.
Right.
Okay.
That means on the left side is displaying, and once we scan, it should be like a similar number.
Yeah. Of course, it has to be the same number.
Is this different to the what we have in the regular WM?
Yes, little bit.
These screens are.
But what happened to this thing? I cannot even verify this thing.
That's what I am questioning. My question is that it's very difficult to verify.
Yeah, it's actually not copied properly. It's something HOT is got copied. Best thing is that I always I need to use the quick cut and paste. This is the easiest one.
We can go. Yes.
Like this is confusing. That's what is my question.
No. Usually you will not work like these things. You will just simply scan it, right, Anand?
Okay.
Why you two worry? You need to scan it. Now?
No, while developing we will do like this kind of things, right?
No.
That's why.
While developing, you just click cut and paste. Why you need to worry? So both actually got picked up. Now, he's taking to the destination. So both got confirmed. So let's go to the monitor. I'll just log off from the RF resource. Now if I go to the monitor, hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello. Srini. Srini?
Hello?
Yes, Srini?
Hello.
Prabhjot?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, Anand, we can listen. I hope Srini has made what is a mute on his listening by mistake.
Yeah, that's why. Oh no, he's not. Oh, he's not there.
Yeah, he's
Hello?
there.
Yes, Srini.
Srini, can you hear us?
Yes, yes.
Srini? Are you sleeping or what? You're not listening anything.
Srini, can you
Hello?
hear us?
Yeah.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear it.
Okay. Yeah. Now, yeah. Can you see that? Okay, these particular tasks actually we confirm through RF. But now, can somebody answer me this question? Whenever if I confirm the task through RF, initially there were only 2 tasks, Suraj.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but now okay, the monitor is showing okay 4 tasks. Anand, can you tell me what is the reason?
Yeah. I get,
What? 2 are confirmation
I don't
and two more.
Whenever actually if you confirm through resource, okay, don't get confused. Okay, whenever if you confirm through resource, first one is always okay from
It has queue.
location to resource. Okay, yeah, location to resource, and then okay resource to destination. Anand.
Okay.
That means okay from the place to the worker's hand and worker's hand to the final location.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the way how it behaves. Okay. Yeah.
So this happens when we assign the resource, right?
Exactly.
Otherwise, we will see only 2 lines.
Yes. Otherwise, you will only see 2 only. If you can see that okay, the destination bin is okay blank. In the case of okay when the resource actually picked up, but when the actual okay the resource okay put it in the final only, you can find the destination bin. So tomorrow, even if you are writing any programming logic, right, you have to take this thing into the consideration.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay. Yeah. Somebody, Anant, okay, have you worked for any company called as okay Delec?
Yeah.
Oh, is it okay?
Why?
No, I'm just asking.
Yeah, I work. Last project is with Delec only.
Oh, okay.
In Tennessee.
So did they? Oh, in Tennessee.
Yeah,
Oh,
Nashville.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. No, because actually, actually, one of the other friend was telling that I think they got sold off to another company, and then they are saying that one developer ye Timmazi Pet I just saw your email.
Okay. Right.
So I just maybe they are the one. Okay, oh that's a very coincidence, buddy. Oh, they sold off the company or what?
No, not like that. They bought another company.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and like it's another company is Ergon. So a piece of business they bought this Delec company.
Okay.
Called Lion Oil.
Okay.
Okay, for that we carved out the data from the Ergon and loaded and implemented all the information into Delec.
No, you worked as a developer to them or what?
Yeah.
Okay. No, just. No, I just surprised to see that the some of the those things only.
Yeah, there is some requirement also right now. I heard, but I don't know, team lead or something. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, they are actually planning to implement the EWM.
Oh, really?
So they just want to remove the whole WM stuff and they want to see how this works also.
I don't know what they want.
Okay, that's fine. So I just so as the email user ID and everything was matching, so I just asked him.
But how did it come the email ID to you?
No, something was there. Okay, A Timazipet at line oil. Okay, it was some user ID was there.
But how come that came to you?
When one of the RICEFs.
Ooh.
Hello.
Yeah. No, because the RICEF actually contains initial, so
But
your
are
email
you
ID and
working
the use.
No, are you
No, I
working
just
there or-
No, we just went there. Okay, only for assessment only.
Oh, okay. Through CTS or through different
No,
company?
this is a different company.
Okay.
Yeah, Satya, go ahead.
Yes, the question is that like one delivery, one task, okay? And you are telling maybe like maybe two
No.
delivery item, maybe one task.
No, not one delivery, one task. Satya.
Delivery item, understand? Delivery item point of view.
No, not only delivery item also. Delivery item quantity equal to 1, maybe one task.
Okay.
Suppose let's take this thing, okay. Delivery order 1, item 1, quantity is okay 50.
Okay.
For 25 quantity, I can create okay one task. And another 25, I can create okay the second task.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
It's clear.
Yeah.
Can we go for other level also? Two delivery, two item, one task.
No.
Okay, clear then. Okay, means that like when I will go for a picking point of view,
Yeah.
each task is very clear, one delivery, one item line, correct? At least.
Not only, no, at least, yeah, minimum, I can say, but okay,
Yeah,
even this 50 quantity, I can create okay the 50 tasks also.
Correct,
With
like I
each
got the
one.
point.
Okay, with each one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, if it is contains okay item 1, if the quantity is okay 1, then it is a one task.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why it makes sense. Okay, is it clear now? To the
Right,
minimum
yeah.
level
That
of
means
okay,
we
quantity.
cannot-
Yeah.
So meaning is that like we cannot club it, like two delivery item make a one task is not possible.
No.
It's okay, because we cannot work in the warehouse, correct?
No. Yes, you are right. Okay, so that's the way how it works. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, that's the way how it works. Okay, don't get confused. Yep.
Sini.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kanan.
Yeah.
Suppose we want to give picking details to picture, means pick list or whatever,
Yeah.
some documents.
Yep.
That is like a task level will be there
No,
or
that's not-
order level.
It's a warehouse order only. Or you can give the warehouse task also.
Practices generally is a best practice.
Best practice is that
I want
the
to give
warehouse
pick
order.
list. That's it.
Pick list is nothing but the warehouse order only.
Okay, because they'll take printout and go and pick the whatever products from whatever.
Exactly. So usually we give this warehouse order, and then okay he go to the particular location and then he simply scan it. Then it
This
lists
picker
the
might not be knowing about the warehouse task anything, correct?
Exactly. Picker don't know usually. They just need to know that okay what he need to pick it up and then from where to pick it up. That's all.
Srini,
Yeah.
in case of I have created a warehouse task and taking this task is coming from warehouse order I created,
Yeah.
and this is a grouping of the two warehouse tasks.
Yeah.
So how picker is knowing that like just take an example, I want to, in the warehouse task, I got a 20 piece item.
Yeah.
I have to go and pick there.
Mm-hmm.
And this is against warehouse 5 piece and 15 piece.
Yeah.
Warehouse task point of view.
Yeah.
So, and just think like this will go for different customer.
Yes.
So when the picker is picked 5 piece and 15 piece,
Yeah.
so how is putting a label so that it go on different conveyor or maybe something, then I will go for a warehouse task point of view. We are again splitting activity into
No.
5 pieces.
Usually, okay, when you pick the first 5, you'll be putting them in a separate pick HU.
No, but how like when I go for a task point of understand, my question is that I will go for as an object task.
No. Task is always okay 5 only, right?
No, that's why. For overall resource point of view, you got a 20.
Yeah, for resource point of view, it's 20, but okay, first
20.
he picks the 5 and then the 5 he will be putting it in the first box.
Just like 5 tasks, I have grouped the, like we are talking order, we can group a number of tasks in one order.
Yeah, see, okay, let's take this, Satya. Okay, let's take this example, okay. Okay, let's take the same example, okay, on a notepad, okay. So I got, okay, two deliveries, D1 and D2. Okay, D1 contains, okay, the quantity of 5 and D2 contains the quantity of 5 for the same item 1. Item is also same and okay, for the material is also same.
Correct, yeah.
Now, I assign this work to the picker. So, you take this example, okay, step by step, okay. How it's a very simple mathematics only, okay.
Okay.
Solve, okay, the 5th class mathematics only, okay. Two tasks got created and okay, the one warehouse order.
Correct.
Now this order, okay, I assign to the worker.
Correct.
Now tell me the problem.
The problem is that like when he's going to pick it here.
Yeah, now okay, okay, let's take this thing, okay. He picked it. Picked means okay, the first task, okay, he picked it. Okay, pick the first task.
Okay. I got a point. When we talk on the order level, I can see the task also. Which task I'm going to do.
Of course, okay. When he scan the order, it will give him that, okay, when he scans, if you look at, okay, just now we confirmed, when you scan the order, first, okay, it will give that, okay, the list of tasks.
Okay, clear friend here.
Okay, yeah, now in the list of tasks, okay, first thing is that he will pick the first task. Now, okay, he will take that, it will tell him that, okay, first pick the 5. Now drop it in, okay, first yellow dabba.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, that is my picked HU. Now second, okay, 15, drop it in the second yellow dabba. Then okay, put both of them in the conveyor to the packing station. That's all.
Yeah, it's clear to me. It's clear to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So is it clear, Anant, everybody?
One question, please.
Yeah, Professor, go ahead.
Yeah.
This dropping would be which activity? I mean, 5 pieces would be dropped in one yellow box.
Usually, okay, we configure the process oriented storage control, Professor, here. So what happens is that, okay, once the picking is done, it will create a warehouse task automatically to the packing station, and usually the packing station again confirms that, okay, it got received. So that, okay, it's something, okay, like this thing. In the inbound side we have IB01, IB02, IB03. Outbound also usually we have OB01 and then, okay, OB02 and then, okay, OB03. Is it clear now, Prabhajit?
Means this would, one yellow box would be one HU or what? How did
It's a HU. It's a pick HU. Okay, it's also called as, okay, nothing but called as pick HU. So that HU, it will go to the here to the packing station. That is nothing but my OB02, where I will do the repack. Or okay, I can combine, okay, the deliveries all pointed to the same delivery. I can just, okay, select it in my work center, and then, okay, I'll combine all of them and then, okay, pack them and then, okay, send it to the staging area.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear now? See here, now to the packing work center, I got, okay, the delivery 1, item 1 and item 3, and as well as, okay, the delivery 2, item 2 also I got it. So now this I1, I3 I can just combine and then, okay, pack them together if I want it, or I can keep them in separate boxes also, or I can put both of them and I can put it in one shrink wrap, okay, which are all going to the same ship to party, or okay, which are all going to the same route. I can keep them and then, okay, point them to the separate staging area, so that, okay, I know that, okay, to which staging area they need to go also. Suppose, okay, these may be going through FedEx and these may be going through UPS. Is it clear now? Now FedEx, okay, it has to go to staging area 1 and UPS has to go to the staging area 2. Okay. So like this thing, okay, we need to configure it also. Is it clear now, Professor? The actual requirements?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe with one example.
Yeah. So what actually tomorrow we can do is that, okay, we can take you through the process-oriented storage control and then, okay, quickly through the wave also. So now the picking is confirmed, and then the only thing, okay, you need to do is that go to the outbound delivery and then, okay, just click the goods issue button. That's all. Now, from EWM 7.0 onwards, okay, what we have is that, okay, assuming that, okay, the picking is happened by chance, and, okay, if you want to cancel the picking, because in EWM, once the warehouse task got confirmed, you cannot cancel the task. You know that thing, right? Okay, so the only thing, okay, you can do is that, okay, you can do that, okay, the cancel the picking only. If you want to do the cancel the picking request itself. Okay, so can pick is the transaction code which you can use it to get to cancel. Yeah.
Cancel picking would reverse the inventory, right?
Yeah, you reverse the picking on. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So that's all actually. Okay, so that's a very simple thing about the picking. So tomorrow what actually we can do is that, okay, I can take you to the little bit of wave and then, okay, to the process oriented storage control in the outbound also. Okay, so that actually talks about, okay, the warehouse auto creation and little bit of, again, okay, the pack spec also. And then, okay, we can talk about, okay, the how to define, okay, the wave also, and how we can define the template. And then, okay, the pick denial, okay, how to, if the pick denial happens, it, okay, how system actually will behave it also. And then, okay, these are things we define the consolidation groups also, we define these things, and then, okay, we defined, okay, the kitting also. Now, once this is done, okay, I can take you through that, okay, the MFS, okay, which is very important.
Okay.
Okay. So just, okay, practice these things, huh? Otherwise, okay, we'll forget it very easily.
Yeah.
Okay, at least one time is enough.
So Srini,
Yep, go ahead.
Very well said. Very well said.
not March, May 4th, I think May 5th I'm going to India.
Okay, no, I think, okay, by end of this month, okay, we can finish it also, most probably.
Yeah, just
Yeah, most probably, okay, almost everything, okay, we can just finish it, okay.
no.
Even, okay, from 30th, okay, I will not be available at least, okay, for some 10 days.
Yeah, I will be back again.
Yeah, but not an issue actually. If any doubts are there, okay, we can always, okay, clarify it. It's not something like ending also.
Okay.
Okay, because I'll just try to cover, okay, as much detail as possible and, okay, as much as possible also. Because I know that, okay, I may not cover, okay, the 100% of the whole course. I may be missing some topics also, but not topics, I can say some of the points, okay. But what I want to cover is that, okay, every SPRO node, I just want to cover it as much as possible, okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's what, okay, my aim
Will
also.
we be doing this quality inspection engine?
Yeah, I can just, okay, yeah, I can do that thing also. I'll just tell you, okay, one topic about, okay, how we can enable it, okay, and how it is. It's only a very simple thing only. You just need to set up activate the object types and then define the decision types only. And then you will be setting only the pass or fail, and then we'll be defining the inspection rules. I can tell you that whole thing, okay?
Yeah, just half a class on that.
No, yeah, I can tell the whole thing, yeah.
Srini?
Yeah.
Srini, if time permits, that printing and
yeah, printing
RF.
I'll cover it, okay. Yeah, printing, okay, I'll cover the
printing and RF once again, small injection.
Yeah, printing actually I want to cover, okay, around some 3 hours topic completely.
Also this RF, small injection.
Yeah, sure, no issues. Okay.
You mentioned the Easy Graphics framework also a little bit.
I don't know whether I have, okay, because, okay, it requires, okay, the Celsius, okay, need to be installed on the server, that, okay, the services, okay, let me check, okay, whether EasyF is there or not. Okay, so demo, okay, let me check, okay, whether it is available or not, let me see it. Okay. If it works here, okay, then I can just show you. Usually, okay, okay, we can show it, okay, it will work. Okay, so usually you can see like, okay, this kind of graphs.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, the transaction is, okay, EasyF only, /SCWM EasyF. Okay.
You mentioned like this is the place some technical work is required or something like that, right?
Not here actually. Usually the technical work is required in the printing and in the RF and in the development also, PPF and those things.
Okay.
Okay.